Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be checking out how to replace the wiper blades on the new Sorentos. Let's take a look. Alrighty, so the first thing you'll probably notice is that these arms don't raise enough above the hood for you to be able to actually change the wiper blade. That's because we need to put the wipers into maintenance mode real quick. To get the wipers into maintenance mode, we're just going to turn the car on real fast and then turn the car back off, and then go ahead and push the wiper stick all the way up, and the wipers will stick up into the maintenance position for you. And now the part where the wiper arm bends is above the hood so that we can actually change the blade. And these wiper blades are really simple to take off. You don't even need a tool. You're just going to bend it back to where you can get to this little tab here. You're gonna push it down, and then you can free the blade off of the arm. And then you would put the new blade over the hook, kind of feed it through, and then latch it back up into place. And then you can put these arms back down onto the windshield. And then to get the wipers out of maintenance mode, we're just going to start the car real quick again. And then flick the wiper control to the mist setting one time, and they'll go back down. Alrighty, and just like that, you can change your own wiper blades. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link in the description for some wiper blades for your Sorento if you want to go ahead and do this yourself. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.